Hi, I'm Renee, and I'm an astrologer. And today I want to talk about relationship astrology. Most of us who dabble in astrology start out looking at our birth charts, which tells us about our individual orientation toward life, the universe, and everything. But there's many other kinds of charts we can also look at, and one area that I find super fascinating and actually specialize in is relationship astrology. There are three main types of chart that we look at when we're trying to understand relationships. The first chart is a synastry chart. In synastry, we're looking at how an individual's astrology interacts with and influences another person's astrology and vice versa. We do this by comparing the individual charts to each other and looking for potent connections between the planets and points in the chart. I love synastry because it can help us understand why, for example, one person feels super intimidated by the other, or why these people keep winding up in conflict, or why when they met, it felt like they'd known each other from the beginning of time. And then we can start to untangle how we might work more productively with that energy. If there's something we're struggling with in relationship, Synastry can help us troubleshoot those issues and come up with better ways to communicate with and understand each other. Synastry can also outline connections that bring us joy and support our individual efforts. The second chart we look at is a composite chart. When two people come together, they create a new energy. I'm sure you can recognize this in your own life. The energy of being with your mom probably feels different than the energy of being with your best friend or your boss or a frenemy. The composite chart tells us about that quality of space between two people. What's our shared focus area in life? What does the relationship need to thrive? What might we be capable of in the relationship that we're not capable of on our own? The composite chart is fabulous for deepening our understanding of who we are when we're together and gives us insight into the dynamics and qualities of the relationship itself rather than the two individuals involved. The third chart we can look at, if we have this information, is the chart for the time that we met, or our meeting chart. The meeting chart helps us understand the initial energies and dynamics present at the time that two people first came together, which can influence the course of the relationship as it evolves. The meeting chart is a snapshot of the potential connection between two people and sets the trajectory for the rest of the relationship. Using these three charts, we can gain so much insight into the quality of the relationship and its inherent challenges and talents. We can then use that insight to come up with ways to enhance the talents and resolve the challenges so the relationship functions in a healthier way. Are you curious about your own relationship astrology? Visit me at astrologybyrenee.com or on socials at astrologybyrenee to book a session or learn more. And just a reminder, relationship astrology is useful for all kinds of relationships, not just romantic partnerships. We can look at our relationships with our parents, our siblings, our friends, our business partners. Any two humans in the world have relationship astrology. This tool has helped my relationships immensely, and I can't recommend it enough. If you like this video, give it a like, a subscribe, a comment, or a share. I really hate saying that, but I also need your help there. Or send it to somebody who might want a little help in the relationship arena. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.